One morning, Thomas was feeling very tired. He said, I really am tired of pushing trains around. Just then the driver and fireman came up to start work. Gordon waited impatiently at the big station. Miss, where are you? I'm right here, Gordon. Now, what is it you want me to do? Oh, let me guess. Fetch your coaches. Yes, I'll go get them. After I'm busy arranging the trucks. Oh, miss, can you hurry up? All right, I will. You know, this happens every single day. I arrange your coaches, you say me to hurry up, and you go on. Sheesh, Gordon, I've had enough of it, you know? I don't like to arrange a train of my own. Like, if you would shunt, you wouldn't complain. You would try to hurry up. It's like I'm doing. Every single day is the same. I wake up, do the same thing. Really, I would just like to pull up a train of my own. What's his problem? Don't ask. I am tired of pushing trucks and coaches around in the yard so you can take them on long journeys. I want to do a train of my own. Oh, Thomas, that's silly. Silly? Do you think silly? Well, if you don't know what silly is, you better see it now. Okay! You really don't know what silly is, do you? I just want to see the world. See the world? Up. You need to be an express engine to see the world. Shut up! The next morning, Henry couldn't steam up. The men worked hard, but he didn't get any better. Henry's ill. I could take his train. What are you so happy about? If Henry's ill, I might be able to take his train. Where's Henry? He hasn't come here yet. You must find another engine at once. There's only Thomas, Fine. You'll have to do it, Thomas. Be quick now. So Thomas came to the front of the train. Everyone was about to get on board when all of a sudden, the whistle blew for Edward's train, and Thomas ran off. Thomas, where are you going? Can you see? Mother, I have to stop. What is it now? I almost cleared the station. Where are your coaches? Wait a minute, what the? Please, we will find another engine as... Oh, here he comes right now. He didn't go that far. I am, sorry everyone. No need to say it. So then Thomas pulled the train. Look, I'm pulling a train. Wow, Thomas. I thought you would never do it. Edward, just kidding. Hey, look. There's Thomas who wanted to pull a train, but forgot about the coaches. Shut up. Shut up. You know, like every time You always have to tease me about something. Can't you like think about something else? Like the time you got stuck in the tunnel, or the times when I got stuck on the hill. Yeah, that's funnier.
Excuse
the
me?
next time I come out, hey, you gonna pull my train tomorrow? Okay. Thomas, said Edward. You have to be careful with troubles and drugs. I will. You worry too much. Hey, what the heck is... No, please stop, Hey, this is wait, what the heck is going on? Thomas, be careful. Come on, you. No, I don't want to. I get this is wrong. Please stop. Hey, smart up back there. Hey, as you reach the hill, when you reach the top, you're gonna push it down. Okay? That's the word. Oh yeah. What about my rock? Absolutely not. Chance, I've been waiting. Yahoo! Yes. What? No, wait! Oh no, there's the station. What did I do? Ow. Oh, finally. Thomas, what the heck are you doing and why did you come in so fast? I brought the trucks, but they were pushing me and I came in too fast. Oh, you have a lot to learn about trucks. Maybe I should keep you in this yard with Edward so you can learn. Okay, sir. That's a good idea, sir. I like it. Hey, Thomas, at least you don't have to listen to the big engines anymore. I have to go take a train. I loved arranging everything. Hey, look. It's that tank engine. Oh, come here. Ah! Oh. That's what you get. Because Thomas can't be in the yard anymore. Thank you, Thomas, for doing that. Now I must be off.